How do I use my Amazon account number for customer support inquiries?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to use your Amazon account number when interacting with Amazon's customer support. This could be especially handy when you need to resolve any issues or inquiries quickly and efficiently.
What is an Amazon account number?
First, let's clarify what your Amazon account number is. Your Amazon account number, also known as your customer ID, is a unique identifier that Amazon uses to track and manage your account. It's usually a 10-digit number that's automatically assigned to you when you create your Amazon account.
Where can I find my Amazon account number?
Now, you might be wondering, where can you find this number? You can find it in the Your Account section on Amazon's website. Here's how. 1. Log into your Amazon account. 2. Navigate to the Your Account section. 3. From there, click on Login and Security. 4. You'll then see your Amazon account number or customer ID at the bottom of the page. Always remember to keep this number confidential to protect your personal information.
How can I use my Amazon account number for customer support inquiries?
Once you have located your Amazon account number, you can use it whenever you contact Amazon's customer support. You should be prepared to provide this number when you 1. Call Amazon customer support. 2. Use the live chat function on Amazon's website. 3. Send an email to Amazon customer support. Having your Amazon account number at the ready can help expedite the support process, as it allows the customer service representative to quickly access your account details and assist you with your concerns or inquiries. And that's it. Now, you know how to locate and use your Amazon account number for customer support inquiries. Always remember to keep this number confidential and safe, as it's a key part of your account security. Thanks for watching, and we hope this information has been helpful. Until next time, happy shopping!